By 3, most children can say things which have never been said before in the whole of human history, which is quite something, isn't it? Now, as you know, or you wouldn't be here, the process of learning sometimes goes wrong. Let me tell you a little bit about the kind of problems which actually occur. I was working with a little girl, and she once said, out of the blue, "A magician, I'm a woman." Well, I didn't understand that. Her mother was in the room. She didn't understand that. Later, her mother said, she's just been to see a conjurer, and we worked it out. She was actually saying, a magician is a kind of robot. Well, the reason that came out so incomprehensibly was that in the word magician there's a m, and the word of it ends with a v sound, even though it's written with an f, and in the word robot there's a b sound, and they're all said with the lips, and the sound o in of and in robot is also said with the lips. Now, it's quite normal for one sound in a word to get copied into another sound, and sometimes part of the sound gets copied into the other sound. But this doesn't usually happen 5 times in a sentence, and in the word is, and from one end of the sentence to the other. Now, in order to help that little girl, I needed to understand exactly what was happening. And so that is why I needed to do that sort of technical analysis, which I call clinical linguistics.